Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
The question is f of x is equal to x square plus 1 comma x greater than equal to 0 and is equal to 2 into square root of x square plus 1 plus k comma x less than 0 at indicated point x equal to 0. So in this question, the given function is given as a continuous at indicated point, that is x equal to 0. And by using this fact, we have to find the value of unknown term, that is k. Now let's see the solution. First of all, given f of x is a continuous at x equal to 0. Therefore, by using second definition of limit, I can write limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to f of 0. Now 0 minus, it means x less than 0, that is called left hand limit. 0 plus, it means x greater than 0, that is called a right hand limit. And f of 0, it means x equal to 0. So the next step will be limit x tends to 0. Now x less than 0 we have in the second part, that x less than 0, f of x given as 2 into square root of x square plus 1 square root complete plus k. That equal to, now limit x tends to 0 plus. 0 plus means x greater than 0, and at that time f of x given as a x square plus 1. And that equal to, now f of 0 means x equal to 0. So that also present in a first part, that f of x is equal to x square plus 1 comma x greater than equal to 0. So that we write 0 square plus 1. Therefore, now here whenever x we substitute 0, so we have 2 into square root of 0 square plus 1 plus k is equal to 0 square plus 1 is equal to 0 square plus 1. So on simplifying further, we get 2 into square root of 1 plus k is equal to 0 plus 1. Now root 1 gives 1 and that multiply by 2, so we get 2 plus k is equal to 0 plus 1, so that equal to 1. And therefore k equal to 1 minus 2, and in this way we get k equal to minus 1. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.